Hi, I'm Spencer, and this is my back pain. Sitting at the computer all day really takes its toll on my back. Yeah! Yeah. No, I'm good. It's super annoying. I just wish there was a way to relieve the pain.
Whoa, hey! There is a way you can fix your back pain. The Plexus Wheel Plus.
It's a simple wheel that can fix your back.
The Plexus Wheel Plus is our brand new patented wheel designed to give you a 4-way spinal stretch. So you want to give the Plexus Wheel Plus a spin?
Wow. That feels great. I haven't felt this good in years. I'd say it's 10 out of 10.
Exactly! That's the point.
Jeez.
Wow, my back pain is gone. What a neat product.
If you cool coworkers are like me, you've tried using other tools. Exercise balls, foam rollers. Problem with those tools is they aren't designed to fit between your shoulder blades, unlike the Plexus Wheel Plus, which fits easily, allowing for an upper neck to lower back stretch. At Plexus Wheel, we are serious about spines. Our over 50,000 customers have been rolling out their stress on the original Plexus Wheel for over a year now. During that time, we listened to their feedback. And the Plexus Wheel Plus has all the goodness of the original, but with added upgrades. Why am I sitting shirtless next to this grand fireplace on this faux bearskin rug? I don't know, but I'm excited to see what happens next. This is Sarah. We think she's gonna help you focus while I talk about the grotesque problems facing our all-American backs. You see, 20% of jobs in America are manual labor, and all that manual action can put a lot of stress on your back. But see, the real reason that our backs are hurting is the nearly 80% of American jobs that require mostly sitting at our office chairs. We sit all day at work, causing our backs to slowly contract into this position. All this lack of activity can cause compressed nerves, sore muscles, and sciatica. Yep, your back feels gross. For the Plexus Wheel Plus, we engineered our thickest ever, super comfy compression mat. The mat design features a spinal canal, so it's more comfortable on your back. And because your spine presses deeper into the mat, the muscles lining your vertebrae are stretched horizontally as well as vertically, allowing for an insanely relaxing 4-way stretch. It's easy enough for everyone to use. Preggers, big boy, even grand. The Plexus Wheel Plus comes in 3 sizes: gentle, medium,
and deep tissue.
Hey, feel like you don't need all that plus? Well, the original might suit you just fine. And our happy back guarantee means if you don't like it, send the dang thing back for a full refund. So, if you have a back, the Plexus Wheel Plus is for you. Get yours today.
So, do you guys want to go to my house and watch some MASH?
No.
We're good.
We fill our time trying to remember everything. Our attention is split in a dozen directions. One key forgotten, one message missed, one card stolen. It all comes to a crashing halt. We lose focus on how to organize the simple things in life. But now, with Loomzag, the world's smartest and most innovative backpack, we can finally feel at ease and focus on doing what we love. Hi, I'm David, and I'm always on the hunt for innovative ways to stay organized and be on the road to success. And that's why I always choose the best. Loomzag is designed to make your life easier, smarter, and more secure. So let's take a closer look. Every day in our backpacks, we carry our most important belongings. And if you happen to leave something behind, the Loomzag app will notify you immediately. We all know how stressful it can be to misplace your backpack. Now, you will never lose it. Loomzag's real-time GPS tracker always gives you peace of mind, showing you the exact location of your backpack, regardless of how far away it is, even if you leave your backpack behind or if it's stolen. In today's urban jungle, you always need an extra pair of eyes watching your back. Loomzag's rear view camera helps you to see what's going on around you in real time. Also, your smart backpack will always keep you connected even while traveling. The built-in Wi-Fi hotspot will allow you to access the internet without roaming charges in any part of the globe. The Loomzag team is convinced that being secure is one of the main components of being at ease, which is Loomzag's main mission. When Loomzag is in security mode, it will keep any potential thieves away from your stuff. Many of us are constantly worrying about losing our backpacks or getting pickpocketed. The anti-theft feature is designed to prevent stress and give you peace of mind. If your backpack is open, or the distance between you and your backpack is too far, then you are notified with a message. Never worry about the safety of your belongings, even if you're in a public place. All of these functions are supported by Loomzag's TSA-approved, lightweight, removable smart box, ensuring a full day's charge for all of your devices. Loomzag allows you to charge your smartphone, tablet, and laptop simultaneously. The wireless charging pocket allows you to charge your phone on the go without slowing you down. Loomzag is where perfection and innovation meet. Get rid of stress with the most innovative backpack. Loomzag makes your life easier, smarter, and more secure, and it solves almost all of your everyday problems. Okay, all of your problems.
Hello Kickstarter, and thank you so much for your interest in this project. Over the last 2 years, we put a lot of thought and effort into designing an incredible piece of gear that's ready to tackle any of life's adventures. We've tested a lot of fabrics, insulations, and patterns, and we're excited to bring you a beanie that not only looks as good as it performs, but packs really light and keeps you warm and comfortable almost all year round.
By backing this project, not only will you be getting the best beanie ever, but you'll be making a meaningful impact in the lives of thousands of underserved and at-risk kids and teens in communities all over the United States. That's because FIRST has partnered with SOS Outreach, a nationwide nonprofit that helps kids gear up for life by introducing them to outdoor activities like backpacking and skiing. For many of these kids, their first outdoor adventure could be an unforgettable one, but with support from the SOS education and mentorship programs, it could be life-altering. We're proud of our partnership with SOS Outreach, and that's why with each pledge made to this campaign, we're able to help further their mission and inspire a future generation of outdoor adventurers. So get yourself the best beanie ever, and help a young person in need. It's a win-win for you and for the great outdoors. Help bring this project to life, and thank you for your support.